Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial is going to be on hair and makeup. So sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, your drink, and enjoy this tutorial. So yeah, first off, I started with my hair, and I started by combing my hair with a big brush, then going with my hair butter, and this is from my hair naturals on Instagram. You can check them out. Thereafter, I'll go with my leave-in conditioner from the same brand and just apply this product on my hair rather. Then going back with the comb and comb it out. Then yeah, I'm packing my hair. If you look closely, I made a mistake. I was meant to bring out the two fronts, whatever, but as I was trying to bring it out, it wasn't like coming out well, so I had to like repack my hair and bring it out properly. Thereafter, I'm just packing the hair, then going with the tooth comb or tail comb as it's called, and I'm using that to like comb my hair properly. This just helps like smoothing my hair and to not be like any bumps or to look rough, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm just packing it, and I'm going to go in with a rubber, then a thread. Okay, this is a shoelace rather, and I'm going to go in with a shoelace and use that to tie the hair properly. And I'm doing this so that it can be really tight. I feel if I use a rubber, it won't be smooth and it won't be tight properly. So I'm going with a shoelace, and I'm just using that. You see now how the hair looks so like neatly done.
Baby, it's you.
Guys, this video is quite self-explanatory. So now I'm just combing the two front hairs out, and I'm going in with my hair coiler, and I'm just using that to coil the hair. Yeah, so that's what I'm basically doing right now, and I'll do it for both sides. This side didn't come out well, so I had to like go to the other side, and I did it again. Then that's it. The video is quite self-explanatory, so just enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys when it's time for the makeup part.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped.
So guys, the makeup, and yeah, this video was filmed last year December, so some steps would have changed, some processes would have changed. So yeah, I'm using my Berry Banks lip gloss and moisturizer. I'm applying that on my skin and on my lips. So yeah, I'm going to do a detailed skin prep, but that will be on my Instagram. I'm going to do it as a real video, so just check that out. And yeah, basically I don't use only moisturizer now. I have a detailed skin prep, and this just helps my makeup last longer and it makes it look flawless. So yeah, check it out. Tag my Instagram and and also leave a link in the description bar. So yeah, now I did my foundation, concealer, contour. I'm blending out my concealer now. I let it stay for a bit so I can have a fuller coverage. Now I'm mixing setting powders. I'm using Beauty by AD and Fair Gold setting powder. The Beauty by AD is the translucent one, and the Fair Gold is the banana setting powder. So now I apply the concealer on my lid, then this to create a base. I'm basically not doing any eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just blending that out, then going in with my beauty blender and my face powder, and I'm using that to set it. You can see the difference between that eye and this eye before I set the other one. So yeah, I'm just doing that because this look is nude eyes and red lips. So yeah, I'm just like setting my contour right now. So basically this video is just self-explanatory. I'm contouring my nose. Don't be like me, use a smaller brush to contour your nose. Now I'm just dusting off setting powder from my face using my face powder and my powder brush. Applying blush, setting my face, going in my beauty blender to press everything into my skin. This just helps to further blend everything together. and I'm going with my eyeshadow. I'm using a dark brown shade, and I'm just using that to like make my crease, my eyelid more defined. Then I'll go with my eyeliner after this. Then apply where my lashes. You see every step in the video. So after this, I went back in, after the liner, the lashes, I went back into my coiler and I recalled my hair again because obviously I needed to do that. So you just see all this process. Just keep watching, guys. So I went back to do that and I just finished up the yeah. Right now I'm taking off the scarf I used, recoiling my hair. After recoiling my hair, I'll go back to do my lips, go back to my makeup, finish up my makeup by doing my lipstick, doing the red lips. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. Please subscribe, that's the most important thing, and watch, and yeah, give it a thumbs up too. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be next week. So enjoy, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.